In this video, we are going to discuss the surprising benefits of drinking lemon ginger tea before bed. If you're one of the 10 to 30% of adults who have trouble falling or staying asleep, you may be looking for ways to sleep better. Drinking a herbal tonic, such as lemon ginger tea, before bedtime could be a relaxing way to end the day. Lemon ginger tea is exactly what it sounds like, a gentle herbal infusion of fresh lemon and ginger with the option of adding a bit of sweetener, like honey or agave nectar. You might be wondering if lemon ginger tea has any unique health benefits. While it may not make you sleepy, it might help you wind down and relax and provide other benefits. Number 1. Soothes indigestion. If chronic indigestion or a heavy dinner keeps you awake later than usual, a cup of lemon ginger tea before bedtime may be a great tonic. Ginger, Zingiber officinale, is a root that has long been used in alternative and folk medicine to treat delayed stomach emptying. Furthermore, lemon, Citrus limone, contains limonene, a plant compound that aids digestion by moving food along your digestive tract, potentially alleviating the uncomfortable feeling of fullness. While the amount of limonene in a cup of lemon ginger tea varies, the combination of lemon, ginger, and water in lemon ginger tea may help with indigestion. Number 2. Alleviates nausea. Ginger has long been touted for its ability to relieve nausea, which is common during pregnancy and chemotherapy, among other things. According to studies, consuming 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger per day may be sufficient to provide an anti-nausea effect. According to one review article, ginger prevented and reduced nausea and vomiting associated with chemotherapy in half of the studies examined. While scientists do not know exactly how ginger works to alleviate nausea, they do know that gingerol is one of the primary plant compounds responsible for this effect. However, the outcomes have been mixed. In another study, 3 studies found that ginger had a positive effect on nausea, 2 showed mostly positive effects, and 2 others found that ginger had no effect on nausea and vomiting related to chemotherapy. Ginger appears to be the most effective at alleviating pregnancy nausea. However, it appears to be less effective in preventing vomiting. Generally, a lemon ginger infusion is considered safe during pregnancy. To be safe, consult a healthcare professional if you want to try it, and if you're close to labor or have a history of clotting disorders or pregnancy loss. Number 3. Reduces nasal congestion. The steam produced by your hot lemon ginger infusion may assist in opening up your nasal cavities and clearing a stuffy nose. Warm liquids also soothe a sore throat caused by mucus buildup. Although these effects are mostly anecdotal and backed up by folk medicine, they are worth considering during cold and flu season, or if you suffer from seasonal allergies. Lemon ginger tea will not cure any of these, but it may help loosen congestion, allowing air to flow more easily through your nose. Number 4. Relieves constipation. Constipation can be caused by a variety of factors, including dehydration and a low-fiber diet. When constipation is caused by dehydration, relaxing in the evening with a warm cup of lemon ginger tea may help, because water allows stool to pass more easily through your digestive tract. If you're constipated all the time, make sure you're drinking enough fluids throughout the day. Speak with a doctor if you have trouble having bowel movements, or have them less than 3 times per week. Number 5. Fights inflammation. Gingerol, one of ginger's plant compounds, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a variety of diseases, including metabolic syndrome, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and heart disease. However, research on ginger's anti-inflammatory effects in humans has yielded conflicting results. Furthermore, there isn't enough research currently available to determine how much gingerol is required to achieve these effects, and how much of it you'd actually get from drinking a typical cup of lemon ginger tea. Number 6. Keeps you hydrated. When you drink lemon ginger tea, you're drinking water, as well as fragrant ginger and lemon essence, which means you're hydrating your body. This is significant because staying hydrated allows vital organs such as your kidneys, gut, and heart to function properly. Many factors influence how much water you need per day, including medications, activities, and any health issues. Most women require at least 78 ounces, 2.3 liters, per day, while most men require 112 ounces, 3.3 liters. How much you require is unique to you and can change from day to day. Number 7. Provides a moment of mindfulness. Having comforting rituals, such as a nightly cup of lemon ginger tea, can provide you with a moment of quiet reflection. Consider it an opportunity to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness practice can be beneficial to one's health as well as relaxation. According to one review study, mindfulness may help you process negative emotions and live your day more intentionally. Furthermore, by allowing lemon peel to steam under your nose in a cup of warm lemon ginger tea, you diffuse the essential oils of lemon. How to prepare lemon ginger tea at home. Making lemon ginger tea at home is easy. After all, you're simply infusing water with fresh ginger and lemon. Ingredients: 1 inch 2.5 centimeters piece of fresh ginger root peeled, 1/2 lemon quartered and 1 fresh wedge for garnish, 1 cup 237 milliliters of water, honey or agave nectar to taste. Directions: combine the ginger and lemon with water in a small saucepan and allow to simmer on your stovetop. Let this steep for at least 10 to 15 minutes. If you find the tonic too weak, consider grating in your ginger instead, or cutting the piece down into smaller chunks. You can also zest in some lemon peel, if you want more lemony notes. Stir in honey or agave nectar to taste, if you wish. Garnish with a fresh wedge of lemon. You could also make a larger batch and store it in the refrigerator until you're ready to warm it up again. To do so, multiply this recipe for a few days' worth. The bottom line: an infusion of lemon and ginger has the potential to calm minor bellyaches, help ease a stuffy nose, and quell or even prevent nausea. What's more, the simple act of drinking lemon ginger tea may help bring on feelings of relaxation and could be a great tool for practicing mindfulness. Just one thing. Try this today: practice mindfulness with a cup of lemon ginger tea. Before bedtime, or when you can set aside 5 to 10 minutes, try sitting down with a hot cup. Now focus on all 5 senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch? Allow yourself to slow down and connect with the now. Thanks for watching, and have a happy and healthy day. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to get updates on new videos.